senior player.
Hi, Mitch.
The same as Kelvin Castro, the heir of the instrumental talent. How about the sense of volunteerism of these two guys, RJ and his successor, Jet Arvin Ross? The flashy expression
Nice, Jet.
of Angie Arellano will be remarkable when you meet with John Manhattan. Manly hearted glasses is worthy to describe Megan Lynn and Bernardo Corona. It is very apparent to Ismael Maestro and John Rivero that they will build their very own silver store and pawn shop in partnership of Dan Gallagher and Elijah Amayo. Ferdinand Lozano will gather information in Harry Potter to Lara Villarreal.
Elijah! Ba't ka tinawag?
Ba't na tinawag? Legacy.
Sino ka legacy niya?
But Shira Medina will put her around to Luisa.
Hi, Mars.
Then will knock her here.
Hi, Mars.
Robert's rule.
Yan, fourth year, may kapareho sa ugali or
Ken.
yung ugali.
Hello.
When it's along with his legacy, Dominic Batalla. Well, let's talk about Junior Starlight, okay? Want to know something about anime? Don't hesitate to ask the experts. Presenting George and Santiago and Diane Gonzalez. Sports headline. The Varsities, their school's most valuable players, soon to be MVP.